So hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to change date and time in Windows 11. So it is a very easy process, so let's get started. Alright, first of all you need to go to your taskbar, and here you can see the date and time, but this date and time is not exactly the same I am now locating. So first of all you need to right click on your mouse from here, and from here you will see adjust time, date and time. Just click on adjust date and time. You can do the same with search bar by searching change the date and time, this option, just tap on that. This problem actually occurs when the time zone is not correctly selected. As you can see, the time zone here is selected US and Canada, but I am not in US or Canada. So if I want to change my current time and date manually, we can do that from here. Like if you turn off this button, and here you can see option set the date and time manually. You need to change the date and time, tap on change, and here you can see this is February 11 2024, and time, we need to select the time. Now it is 8:20 here, 8:20, and now it is PM, so I will select PM and tap on change, and now as you can see my time and date has been changed manually. If you want to make it happen automatically, for that you need to go to your browser and search for time zone in my area. As you can see, my time zone is UTC +6, so I need to select UTC +6 from here. So let's scroll it down, and here you can see UTC +6 Dhaka. So that is my time zone here. I will select this and turn on set automatically, and it will select the time. As you can see, the time is now corrected. I hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys.